Back with another Las Vegas room tour. We're at the Luxor Pyramid Tower. 2 queen beds. Let's start here in the bathroom. Sorry for the camera. It doesn't like these lights. This place looks a little bit outdated. This is one of the older rooms. I also have a tour of the newer room, which was a lot better. But this one, I can get comped easily for, so it's alright if it's free. Wallpaper's alright, beds are pretty nice. I like this wardrobe TV area. And underneath, nope, no fridge. I like the hotels with the fridge, but this one didn't have it. It looks like they used to. Maybe you can order one. A little spot for hanging your clothes. Ironing board. It's a pretty spacious room. Beds were alright. Let's go see how the PowerPoints are. Oh, there's a safe inside the drawer here. That's nice. But there weren't many PowerPoints over here. I had to go over to the wall because I didn't see them right here. Don't see any PowerPoints over here. That kind of sucks. Right here is where you would plug in. Nice seating area, which I'm about to get to. Nice and comfortable chairs. Sometimes these chairs can be dirty though. Doesn't seem like they focus on cleaning them. These were okay. Just a little bit outdated in this room. I'd say pay the upgrade to get the new room. Nice views out here though. Overall, I'd say if you're on a budget or you got comps, it's an okay room. I'd say get the upgrade though, and click the video on the screen right here to see the new room tour at the Luxor.